In November, the Red Magic 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus were released with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Today, the brand introduced their upgraded version in China, the Red Magic 9S Pro and Red Magic 9S Pro Plus. The main improvements are in performance and cooling. The two phones are quite similar with differences mainly in battery size, charging speed and memory options. The Red Magic 9S Pro and 9S Pro Plus have a similar design to the 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus. They feature a flat design with a flat frame and display. There is no hole punch cutout for the front camera because it's placed under the display. The device have vents on the sides for air intake since both have a cooling fan. They also include stereo speakers, a 3.5mm headphone jack on top and a USB 3.2 Type-C port. Both phones are powered by an overclocked version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, different from the one in 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus. This version has a CPU clocked up to 3.4 GHz instead of 3.3 GHz and a GPU clocked up to 1 GHz. This results in AnTuTu benchmark score of over 2.3 million points, the highest for any Android phones. Another upgrade is in the cooling system. The Red Magic 9S Pro series uses the ICE 13.5 cooling system with a large vapor chamber, a 22,000 RPM cooling fan and improved cooling gel. The two phones differs in battery and charging. The Red Magic 9S Pro has a 6500 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging, while the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus has a 5500 mAh battery with 165 watt fast charging. In terms of memory, the Red Magic 9S Pro offers 12GB or 16GB RAM and 256GB or 512GB storage, while the Red Magic 9S Pro offers 16GB or 24GB of RAM and 512GB or 1TB storage options. Both phones have dual camera setup on the back, a 50 megapixel Samsung GN5 sensor for the main camera with OIS and a 50 megapixel Samsung GN1 sensor for the ultra-wide camera as well. The front camera has a 16 megapixel sensor. The display is a 6.8-inch BOE Q9 Plus OLED with a resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixel and a 120Hz refresh rate. Finally, both phones run on Red Magic 9.5, which is based on Android 14. Talking about the price, the Red Magic 9S Pro in China starts from $600 for the base variant and goes up to $700 for the top variant. And the price for the Red Magic 9S Pro Plus in China starts from $798 for the base variant with 512GB and it goes up to $960 for the top variant with 1TB storage option. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please smash the like and subscribe button, and as always I see you in the next one.